welcome back.
This is one of our household favorites, stir fry.
Baby bok choy. She's good at pulling things apart.
Yeah, she is. And once it's cut up, toss it in there.
Can I just pull the lettuce apart?
Sure.
I like your hat. Nice hat, by the way.
I'm not wearing a hat.
Green beans from the garden. Are we cutting them?
Yes, you're gonna cut the edges off. What, baby?
Do I have to cut it in the middle or no? Yeah.
Yay. Yeah, let's cut in the middle. That's a good idea.
Salad masher.
Master, salad master. Okay, now that is a blade right there, just so you know. You're turning the knife around.
It's making a rhythm.
You're gonna spin it. Yep.
Spinning it. It's
You're doing great.
me over.
That would be great, huh? How'd you learn how to say that?
I don't know. I'm just the firstborn.
Yes.
I'm looking at the onions.
Is that why you're crying? Because you're looking at them and they're just so sad to look at? Ah! They're getting to me too.
Onions!
Sorry.
I said I didn't want to.
Are your eyes watering?
Shrimp. These ones aren't.
They're in there. Salt this up. Salt and pepper my steak also. I just realized I didn't put these peppers in here, so I am going to go ahead and add them and just try to saute them up real quick.
Mama.
Good job.
Yes.
Wow, good job. We got some eggs. I have my mulch right. I'm going to add the eggs together first. Measure that one apart. Get this sauteed up. Garlic powder. Onion flakes, and some Japanese barbecue sauce. Soy sauce. My broccoli was pre-steamed, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. Make sure it finishes cooking together. Steak is getting close, so I'm gonna put my shrimp on there. Throw my shrimp on the bottom. Some soy sauce here.